I don't know what to say.
I'll wait for you to say.
Good morning, everybody. We just got done with breakfast. We met up with Andrew's sister and had a nice little breakfast at a place called The Gathering, and I had the best oatmeal I have ever had in my entire life. It was like a good, I compare it to like a good bowl of grits. It was super creamy, kind of a little salty, slightly sweet. It's good, it's good stuff. So I am still with child. I tried everything I can think of, everything that has been suggested to me, and I'm just still pregnant. So I'll talk a little bit about it later, but I'm just gonna chill and wait it out, I guess. But we have some errands we need to run today. My mom is coming into town tomorrow. So we have some just last minute things we need to get done, and then we need to clean the house a little bit. But I will take you guys along with us on our super exciting day as we are waiting to go into labor. Also, it is a gorgeous day. It finally feels like fall in Charleston. It's 69 degrees, which is, I think, is perfect. It's not too cold, but it still has that like fall Christmas in the air. It's good stuff. Very excited about it. So we had a little change of plans. It was still really early for us to go home, and we're never out this early, so we thought we'd take advantage of it, and we drove to the other side of town to go to Home Goods and TJ Maxx to look for a chair to use as kind of like a desk chair. So that's where we are right now. We're gonna go inside and see if we can find anything. I love Home Goods. I don't know what to say.
I'll wait for you to say.
Are we gonna Chick-fil-A?
You want some Chick-fil-A, honey?
Okay.
Okay, we'll go home and make you some Chick-fil-A, okay? You want to go home and make some chicken nuggets?
No.
Oh. Well, I'm sitting in the back seat, first of all. Emmy had quite a bit of a meltdown after we went to Home Goods and would not get back in her car seat. I've really never seen her that upset. And so I'm sitting in the back seat with her. And Andrew so kindly got me a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks because today just called for it. The weather's fall-ish, and we went through some hard things with Emerson just now, so I think I deserved it. We're going home now. Gonna put Emerson down for a nap and rest ourselves, huh?
Hi. Hold it.
You cannot hold it. You're a little ragamuffin. Why were you so sad?
Look, quiet.
You were crying. What you got going on over here? You eating a sandwich? Is that good? Your dada made you a turkey sandwich. And then Hello Kitty has been put down for a nap by Emerson. This is a little behind the scenes action of what we've got going on. Real life right there. We have a photo shoot we're about to start. Couch cushions are off. I'm filming another video tonight. Busy life we live, huh? And you are so cute sitting over here. Emmy is down for her nap. Andrew is out running a ton of errands, and I am sitting on the balcony enjoying this beautiful fall weather. It seriously does not get any prettier than this. It's got, like, the air has that cool, crisp fall feel to it. We have been waiting for this for such a long time. But I wanted to give you guys a baby update. As you guys know, I have been trying seriously everything to induce labor naturally. Not because I'm trying to rush the process, but because with Emmy, I was induced at 42 weeks with her. And I definitely don't want to have to go that long again, because that's a long time to be pregnant. But also I just don't know what it feels like to go into labor naturally. And also, when you're induced, those contractions come on so strong and hard. And if I can avoid it, I just don't want to have to go through that again. So I've been trying everything I can think of to go into labor naturally. I wrote a list down on my phone just because I think it's so funny, all the things that I have tried to put myself into labor that have been unsuccessful. So here, let me read you what all I've tried. So I've been drinking a ton of raspberry leaf tea. I've been drinking it like it's water. I've eaten all the prunes, spicy food, Chinese food. I've walked for miles, walked the stairs, done squats. I don't know how else to word this other than this involved Andrew. Didn't work. Yoga ball, yoga, various like stretch positions that are supposed to like help move the baby into position better or something like that. Andrew rubbed my feet and my ankles because that supposedly is supposed to like put you into labor. He's rubbed my shoulders. I've taken hot baths, and I have tried clary sage essential oil. I put that in the baths. I diffused it. I had Andrew use that to like massage my shoulders and my feet. Nothing. So those are all the things that I can think of that I have tried. There's a couple things that are still like options, but I'm not going to do just because I don't feel comfortable with it. If you have done this, or I totally am not judging you, this is just something that I personally don't want to do, is get acupuncture, primrose oil, and castor oil. And then also my doctor with Emmy stripped my membranes. It didn't work, obviously, but my doctor here won't do that. She just says that there's more risks involved than the potential benefits, so she just doesn't do it. So there's still some things out there that I could technically try, but I'm telling you, if none of these things have worked, then there's just no way I'm gonna make this baby come out, and he's just gonna have to come out on his own. I will be induced on Wednesday, which will be 14th, 15th, the 17th. So I mean, I really don't have that much longer to wait, and I feel just like at peace knowing that I've tried everything naturally and safely to get this baby to come out, and he's just not. So I am officially going to quit trying to induce labor, and if he comes, he comes. If not, I'll be induced on Wednesday and he will be here. But I feel just a whole lot of peace knowing that we're so close and there's nothing I can do. This is completely out of my hands. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm quitting. Done. Hello, Pumpkin.
It's a piggy.
Did you wake up from your nap? Yeah? Good job. You took a really long one, huh? Like 3 hours. I'm proud of you. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. This is what we are having for dinner tonight. It is zucchini noodles with pesto and some cherry tomatoes, and then some breaded chicken. And we make this like a lot because it's super easy and it tastes really good. But also I just did a video. I filmed a video of the recipe and how to make it. There's Emerson playing so good by herself. She is being such a trooper. But yeah, so be on the lookout for this recipe and a video coming out soon. You got French fries? First of all, your hair is just looking fabulous. And second of all, did you know that Mama's really proud of you? I didn't even finish saying it. You did know that Mama was so proud of you. You're being such a good girl. Yeah? Did you pull all those French fries out? Wow. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Great job, honey. There's 7 of them, but good girl. Alright, are you ready for dinner?
Okay.
Okay, let's go eat dinner. Look at your hair. It is beautiful. You're beautiful. Okay, you ready to get in the bathtub?
Okay.
Would you like to pick out a popsicle?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Here we go. What color would you like? Purple? Okay, let's go. Ready? Okay, come on, let's go take your duckies.
Okay.
Got you. We're a mess in here. We have couch cushion covers hanging to dry. Emmy's a mess. Toilet paper's just chilling. I think I see some stuff in your teeth that I need to get.
Did you eat some coconut?
Did you eat some coconut? Did you eat coconut tonight?
No.
I think you did. I think we should see if you have any in your teeth. Let me see. Do you have coconut in your teeth?
Huh?
You sure do. There actually is a piece. These are pieces of coconut. Oh my goodness. Oh. And what else did you eat today? Did you have chicken?
No.
You did. Let me see. There it is. There's that chicken. I gotta get it. I gotta get it. I gotta get it. What else did you have?
Uh-huh.
Did you have zucchini noodles?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. No, let me see. Oh, there it is. I gotta get it. What a great job.